Well, we're back from Turkey and we've just done some family visits over the Thanksgiving break, and now we're heading back to Cherbourg to check on Chloe's progress. Her painting's done and now her systems are being installed. All of her rough internal systems and pipe work and tankage and various components associated with the engine are being installed right now, and so we're very keen to go check her out. As with her welding, we were very impressed with Chloe's build quality. Garcia Yachting, the boat builder, adopt a lot of techniques from the shipbuilding industry as opposed to boat building. So the quality of construction is just a lot higher than that you would find in a typical plastic boat of a similar size. One of the more unique construction features is the installation of insulation throughout the boat. The hull is insulated with 3-inch closed cell foam insulation, and the sole plates are extra thick also. So condensation and temperature control is far better in this kind of construction.
This is the engine. It's a Volvo D275 Penta. It's a turbo engine, and we hope not to be using it that much to stay as green as possible on the sailboat. We chose not to have a generator on board, but instead we have 2 large alternators on the engine. These 2 large alternators will be used in conjunction with over 1 kilowatt of solar PV panels to charge the large lithium battery bank that we have on board.
The through holes in Chloe are directed above the waterline and are welded into the hull, so we'll avoid the common issue associated with plastic boats' through holes failing. Lots and lots of cables and spaghetti and pipe work on Chloe. All the components are the highest quality and oversized to maximize reliability.
Over the next couple weeks to finish up the systems that are below the sole plate for the electrical and plumbing. Then they're going to lay down the floor and then continue on the furniture and cabinetry and finish off the systems above the sole plate. So we're going to exit Schengen for a bit and go over to Ireland and visit Peter's sister and best friend from school for Christmas.